everyone. I have started using Joyly Rejuvenate Repair Cream for quite some time now. I use it for my son and I love it. Okay, this is a lifesaver. I would totally recommend this to working parents, especially because to put a diaper cream, to put another moisturizing cream, it's actually really a hassle. So for me, Zachary has really bad diaper rash when he was a baby, and I resorted to using zinc oxide, which can be really dry. So we've tried this and there's no more diaper rash. And amazingly, I also have eczema. Okay, it comes monthly, and I've started using this, and I don't have to resort to using steroids anymore. It works for my sister who has asthma problem, which always come with eczema, and it works for the whole family. So fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and hypoallergenic, and the best part is steroid-free. So I definitely recommend using this Rejuvenate Repair Cream.